So when it gets down more, I'll show you where it is and pick who the winner is. It's rainbow, blue, black, orange, white, green, yellow. Let's see who's gonna win. And they get stuck already. What the heck? And who's gonna be in the lead first? And it looks like oranges and black. I don't know. And who's last? I think blue's last. No, yellow's last. And then who? Who's gonna be in the lead first? And yellow's not in last anymore. And black's in the lead. And let me move this now. Black's still in the lead. Wait, no. Orange is in the lead. But there's still a whole nother funnel. Who's going to be in the lead this time? And it looks like orange is first. Black is second. And then green. And then white. Yeah. Then yellow. Guess who's last? Rainbow is last. So if you rooted for